Hey guys, welcome back to another episode Up and Running. Thanks for watching. Alright, on today's episode, we're going to get back to working on the 71 Chevy. I hope you enjoy it. Alright, we got a new back bumper for this truck. We're going to go ahead and put it on. Oh wait, first I'm going to need to get the manual because these are bent, as you can see, and I'm going to need to see which way they go on. So let me get the manual. Oh yeah, there is no manual. I took some time and just figured it out. I made measurements to see how I put the brackets on the bumper to make the 36 inches I needed. So here we go, hang on. Tweak there. I think we'll be able to straighten that out, but I'm going to have to let the bumper down and try to straighten that out. Thank you, Robert. This isn't bolted up yet, but here goes. It came out really nice. Can't even tell. Alright, it's all bolted on, it's nice and tight. Let's take a look at it, see if it's straight. It looks pretty good. Yeah, I think it's in good shape. I think we are gonna call it good right there. Alright, I'm gonna make sure we can get the tailgate open as well here. Oh yeah, we're good. Alright, I'm making sure to aim them toward the license plate. These are one wire, they used the bumper as a ground. So you want to make sure the light goes that direction toward the plate. So I'm going to snap these in for the license plate. Alright, now we'll hook the wiring up underneath. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is these are the two wires for the license plate lights. The old bumper only had one wire or one light on the license plate. This one has two. But this was the wire that ran the license plate light. So I put the headlights on the truck, and I'm going to see if we've got power here. To do that, I'm just going to use an old-fashioned tester. I'm just going to put that one end on the ground, and I'm going to see if this lights up, and it does. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. We got power here. So this is working. So I'll be able to tap into this wire and make those two work. So if we just want to test it, I can just take this and touch it on there, and you can see that light works. I'm going to check the other one right away, and that one works as well. So I'm just going to get a connector to connect those three wires together, and we'll be golden. Alright, so what I did here is I made a couple of little pigtails with connectors on, because these wires had a little connector on them, so this way we can plug this in. So if anybody ever wants to take the bumper off, they'll be able to unplug it. So this is our wire. I've got a three-way connector here, and I'm going to connect these all together and make this work. I'm being sure to make sure the wires go all the way in, so there's no issues. Alright, those are all the way in. Let's check the truck and see if the license plate lights work. Alright, so as you can see, the tail lights are on the truck, and the license plate lights are working. So I'm going to go ahead and get that all taped up and cleaned up so the wiring doesn't snag on everything, and we are good to go. Alright, we'll put the license plate on. Little bowed from last time. got her done. Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for another episode Up and Running. Be sure to come back next time. We'll keep working on the Chevy. Thanks for watching.